Hello viewers, welcome to our today tutorial on how to create a hillshade in Global Mapper. So where we are, we have added our four tiles of raster, and automatically it has merged each other as one without going through processes. So you can see the hill shading based on different quadrants and their behaviors. You can also change the number based on azimuth and altitude to know the trending. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and stay tuned to more of our videos. So you can also access your dynamic hill shading through the color ramp. So I'm walking you on step by step on how to use the dynamic hill shading to modernize your map, your analysis, to also add your trending to the azimuth and latitude. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you for watching.